So I just stumbled upon this crazy project called Term.everything. It's a Wayland compositor that runs GUI apps in your terminal.
Wait, what? That's like next level for terminal usage. How does that even work?
I know, right? It outputs Windows to your terminal instead of your monitor. It's wild. Imagine playing video games in a terminal.
I could see how that'd be intriguing, but isn't the quality limited? Like, how do games even run smoothly?
Totally, the resolution is constrained by the terminal's size. You have to tweak it often to get a good frame rate.
That's fascinating, but a bit impractical, right? I mean, why play in such a cramped space?
True, but think about it, it's like reliving the retro experience. It's nostalgic for terminal enthusiasts.
Nostalgia is one thing, but comfort also matters. How is this really practical?
Well, it allows for more flexibility. You can access GUI tools remotely over SSH, which could be a game changer.
Remote access is definitely a big draw, but how many apps are actually compatible?
Not all apps work perfectly. Some may crash or fail to launch. It's not foolproof.
That makes sense. There's a fine line between novelty and usability, though. Are we just chasing trends?
Good point, but every innovation starts somewhere. It's about pushing boundaries.
Right, but can it sustain itself if many apps fail? Isn't there a risk of discouraging users?
Definitely a risk, especially for casual users. Dedicated folks might stick around, though.
What about the learning curve? I can imagine users getting frustrated quickly.
Yeah, the help files are crucial. It's pretty developer-friendly, but still requires some geekiness.
That might alienate potential users. Not everyone wants to dive deep into terminal commands.
Exactly, there's a balance, but that exclusivity could create a tight-knit community.
That's a double-edged sword, though. Do they want to expand or just keep it niche?
I see your point. Growing too quickly might dilute the experience they're going for.
Plus, the market is flooded with tools. What's going to set this apart, really?
It's that unique selling point. The novelty of running GUIs in a terminal is pretty distinct.
For now, at least, but trends change. What happens when everyone else catches up?
Then maybe true innovation will need to happen again. That's how tech evolves, right?
Always iterating. And let's be honest, some ideas don't stick the landing.
But even a failed idea leads to lessons learned. There's value in that.
True, and the creator is actually pretty open about bugs and limitations. That's refreshing.
Right? Transparency can be such a game changer for developer credibility.
But will that keep users engaged if they encounter issues? That's a fine balance.
For sure, community feedback could help iterate on it, but that takes time.
So, folks interested in bleeding-edge tech might be worth it, but average users might shy away.
Exactly, it's about knowing your audience, niche versus mainstream, right?
It'll be interesting to watch how it evolves. Will it inspire other projects?
Absolutely, innovations like this can ripple through tech in unexpected ways.
It's the nature of technology, isn't it? Each new idea pushes the boundary further.
And it sparks curiosity. I can't help but wonder what the next wild idea will be.
Same here. As long as it balances novelty with real-world functionality, I'm in.
Agreed, but at the end of the day, we need to question every trend.
Definitely, curiosity is key, and so is critical thinking. Keeps us grounded.
So true, let's keep observing and sharing these wild discoveries. You never know what's next.
Yes, and let's keep pondering how they affect our daily tech lives. That's the real gem here.